Hey guys, it's Catherine1, and I got something in the mail today, and I already opened it, and I got a just this way. I got a peace puppy. I already adopted her. She's so cute, sparkly ears and sparkly paws and sparkly tail. Her name is Harmony. I love her so much. I like her nose. She's so cute. I like her little peace signs everywhere. Oh yeah, she's so cute. Yeah, if I keep saying cute, it's just because I love her. She's so cute. Purple, blue, pink, green, orange. Let's see. I think I don't know. But she is so cute. I love her. Harmony is a peace puppy. She's so cute online. Oh my gosh. Oh. Sorry if I'm hyper. I'm just so excited. Because I've been waiting for her for days. She actually came today. And it's a Saturday, so I can play with her all I want. Oh yeah. She's so